Let's locate the shape builder tool on the toolbar. Okay, the shape that looks like a circle, a big circle and a small circle with an arrow by the side. Okay, select the tool. First of all, I'm going to show you how to match your shapes as you have seen it here. I'm going to show you how to extract your shape as you've seen it here. And finally, I'm going to show you how to delete some shapes as you've seen it here. And I'll show you how to create something like this with your shape builder tool. So stay with me to the end of this video. Okay, first of all, you are going to draw two different shapes. You're going to draw two different shapes, and after drawing your two different shapes, you're going to bring the two shapes together. Then select the two shapes. After selecting the two shapes, go to your shape builder tool and hover your mouse around the shape builder tool, and the portion you want to match, simply drag it across and it's going to match those two shapes. Now the next one is how to extract your shapes. Select these two shapes. After selecting those two shapes, activate your shape builder tool and simply select on the portion you want to extract. So I want to extract this middle portion, this intersection now. So I'm going to select on this intersection, this middle. Okay, after doing that, you are going to separate this and you separate this and you have your intersection. The next one we are going to do is how to delete some part of your shapes. So select your shapes and activate your shape builder tool. After selecting your shape builder tool, this time around we are going to use our Alt key. Okay, you use your Alt key and drag across the portion you want to delete. Do the same to this side and do the same to this side. Okay, we are good with that. Okay, I'm going to show you how to use that and implement this shape. First of all, you are going to draw a circle. Duplicate this circle by simply copying and pasting the circle. Now centralize your circle. Centralize your circle. Okay, after centralizing your circle, what next you are going to do is for you to select the both circles and duplicate them again. Now notice your mouse. When you see intersection, know that it has positioned very well. Now you are going to repeat that again. Okay, after doing that, you are going to select all these circles. Let's select all these circles, then activate your shape builder tool. After activating your shape builder tool, you use your Alternate key and drag it to delete this part, just as I showed you in the other example. Now this time around, I want to remove some portions. I want to remove some portions here and match these portions here. Okay, let me show you how to do that. Select the three shapes and activate your shape builder tool. Simply drag around the portion you want to match. Drag around the portion you want to match. Repeat the same thing. Okay, look at this portion now. For the middle portion, from here to here, look at from this my example now, from here to here and from here to here. Let's match all these together. Okay, I'm going to select this again and I activate my shape builder tool. So from here, I'm going to match it all around. Then I'm going to match this one all around here, and I'm going to match this one all around here. So finally, we have our shape. So here you can simply put a color of your choice. Then here you can put a color of your choice, and here you can put a color of your choice. So finally, we know how to use our shape builder tool. So if this video is of interest to you, you can like this video, subscribe to my channel so that you can see other of my videos anytime I drop it. Thanks for watching. See you next time.